Ever felt that knot of anxiety in your stomach when you think about your crypto's safety? You've got your hard-earned digital assets sitting on an exchange, and while Kraken is reputable, you know the golden rule: not your keys, not your coins. You've heard of ledger wallets, those sleek little devices promising cold storage security, but the thought of transferring your crypto from Kraken to it? Well, that feels like navigating a digital labyrinth. You're not alone. Many of us, even seasoned crypto enthusiasts, have been there. The fear of losing funds due to a wrong address, or the technical jargon swirling around, can be daunting. But what if I told you it's actually a straightforward process, a simple step towards securing your digital future? Today, we're going to demystify this process, walking you through, click by click, how to transfer your crypto from Kraken to your Ledger wallet. We'll not only cover the how, but also the why, ensuring you understand the underlying principles of secure crypto management. Before we jump into the practical steps, let's quickly recap why transferring to a ledger is so crucial. Exchanges, while convenient for trading, are centralized entities. This means they hold your private keys. If the exchange gets hacked, or faces regulatory issues, your funds could be at risk. A ledger, on the other hand, is a hardware wallet. It stores your private keys offline, away from the internet, making it virtually impenetrable to online threats. Think of it as a digital vault for your crypto, a fortress safeguarding your assets. Now, let's get started. First, you'll need a few things: your Ledger device, Ledger Live installed on your computer, and of course, your Kraken account with the crypto you want to transfer. Make sure your Ledger firmware and Ledger Live are up to date. Updates are critical for security and compatibility. Alright, step 1, setting up your Ledger Live for the specific cryptocurrency you're transferring. Open Ledger Live and connect your Ledger device. If you haven't already, you'll need to install the corresponding app for the cryptocurrency on your ledger. For example, if you're transferring Bitcoin, you'll need the Bitcoin app. If you're transferring Ethereum, the Ethereum app. Navigate to the Manager tab in Ledger Live, search for the app, and click Install. Once the app is installed, navigate to the Accounts tab. Click Add Account, select the cryptocurrency, and follow the prompts to create an account on your ledger. This account will generate a receive address, which is crucial for the transfer. Now, let's talk about that receive address. This address is like your bank account number, but for crypto. It's what you'll provide to Kraken to send your funds to your ledger. It's a string of alphanumeric characters, and it's absolutely vital you get it right. Double, triple check it. Even better, copy and paste it directly from Ledger Live to avoid any errors. Okay, with your Ledger Live account set up and your receive address copied, it's time to head over to Kraken. Log into your Kraken account. Navigate to the Funding section and then select Withdraw. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Here's where precision is key. You'll see a field for the withdrawal address. This is where you paste the receive address you copied from Ledger Live. Again, double-check that it's correct. Even a single wrong character can result in lost funds. Kraken often provides a confirmation step, requiring you to verify the address before proceeding. Take your time. Don't rush. Next, you'll enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any withdrawal fees Kraken charges. These fees vary depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. Always factor them into your calculations. Once you've entered the address and amount, and confirmed the fees, click Withdraw. Kraken will likely send you an email or require a 2FA code for confirmation. This is another security layer, ensuring you're the one initiating the transaction. Enter the code and confirm the withdrawal. Now, the waiting game begins. The time it takes for the transaction to complete depends on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. Bitcoin transactions can take anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour, or even longer during peak times. Ethereum transactions are generally faster. While you wait, you can monitor the transaction status on Kraken and on Ledger Live. Ledger Live will show the incoming transaction as pending until it's confirmed on the blockchain. Once confirmed, your crypto will appear in your Ledger Live account. Let's address a few common concerns. One of the biggest fears is sending crypto to the wrong address. If you do, unfortunately, there's often no way to recover your funds. That's why verifying the address is so important. Another concern is network fees. These fees are paid to miners or validators who process transactions on the blockchain. While they can fluctuate, understanding them is crucial for managing your crypto effectively. Security best practices are also essential. Always keep your Ledger device and recovery phrase in a safe, secure location. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone. It's the master key to your crypto. Also, be wary of phishing scams. Always verify the website you're using is the official Kraken or Ledger website. Now, let's talk about some advanced tips. For those dealing with large amounts of crypto, consider using a separate Ledger account for each cryptocurrency. This helps with organization and security. Also, for Ethereum and other ERC-20 tokens, you can use Ledger Live to interact with decentralized applications, dApps, directly, adding another layer of control. One important point to note is the concept of change addresses. When you receive crypto into your Ledger, the wallet automatically generates new receive addresses for future transactions. This is a privacy feature. Don't worry, all these addresses are linked to your Ledger account, and you can still access your funds. Another crucial aspect is understanding the difference between sending and receiving. Sending involves transferring crypto from your Ledger to another address, while receiving is bringing crypto into your Ledger. The steps we've covered today focused on receiving, but the principles of address verification and fee awareness apply to both. Let's quickly address some potential troubleshooting. If your transaction is taking longer than expected, check the Blockchain Explorer for your cryptocurrency. You can find the transaction ID on Kraken and use it to track the progress on the Explorer. If you're having trouble connecting your Ledger to Ledger Live, try restarting your computer and Ledger device. Make sure your USB cable is securely connected. Remember, the key to secure crypto management is vigilance and understanding. Take your time, double-check everything, and don't hesitate to seek help from official support channels if you encounter any issues. The peace of mind that comes with knowing your crypto is securely stored offline is invaluable. It's a step towards true financial sovereignty, putting you in control of your digital assets. While the initial setup might seem daunting, the process becomes second nature with practice. This isn't just about transferring crypto, it's about taking ownership of your financial future. In a world where digital assets are becoming increasingly prevalent, understanding how to secure them is paramount. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.